Hey guys, Steve's Visions Gaming here. Today I will be reviewing the Impulse minigun on Pixelgun 3. It's automatic minigun. I don't think it's gonna be that good. It's rare, but I've been surprised by some guns, some legendary rares and epics, like this one, especially this one. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then go to my other YouTube videos and you'll see. On my channel, let's check out some other videos. I have some cool videos on there. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Like I said, it's automatic minigun. It's basically, let's just check it out. Let's get into it without further ado. So basically, the Impulse minigun is just like that minigun, the minigun pistol, but they extended the barrel and made it a primary. Look, alright, now look at this for a second. Good look at it. Alright, now look at this. Almost the exact same except for the bullet part that runs through and the barrel. They just like stretch the barrel out and change the reload. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to shoot this slice of this thing. It's actually not bad for rare. Of course it's not good, but like it's supposed to be, but it's not bad either. Pretty good. I like this gun. I like it for a rare one. Yeah, this side thing's actually extremely good for rare. If you're a bot and you don't know how to hit your shots, I still sort of recommend this one. Because, well, it has a high captivity, but if you upgrade this thing in mythical, it'll be super overpowered. I think this gun is actually pretty good. I recommend it. So I recommend it even if you're a bot. I think so. On Pixelgun, yeah, I recommend it. You should use it. It's really good. All right, really good for a rare. Sorry the video was short, but I ain't got much time to work with, that was why. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. See you next time on Steam Adventures and Gaming. Bye.